Hey folks, Todd Dow here. I'm out here in Thailand as of right now, and I've been traveling the world for quite some time. But what I decided to do, since I'm bored as hell being here, is I'm actually going to create a brand from scratch using the Shopify platform. Now, I'm not a stranger to Shopify. I've actually helped 3 students hit $1 million. 1 student has hit $1 million in a month with their store, and then the other 2 students have hit $1 million within 6 months under my wing, under my training and coaching that I've been able to do. And so I've also had several other students had 6-figure months and 6-figure years throughout the course of me teaching e-commerce the past 2 years. Now, I'm not a stranger to online. I've actually been online for 9 years. I've done multiple different things in this industry, but here recently in the last 5 years, I've been studying Facebook ads. I mean, I've been doing Facebook ads since Facebook only had right column ads, and so I kind of stuck with it because the traffic is highly valuable, and it's just something that I've stuck to, and it's just very convenient to turn on some ads and to generate revenue. So what I'm going to do inside of this video also is I'm going to go over exactly how I'm setting up this store. It's going to be over the shoulder style tutorials. Now, up until this point, you've probably seen YouTube videos where people are, they're saying they're making a lot of money, but they're not actually showing you how to set up the store, what type of products to promote, how to set up the product pages, and different things like that. And that's exactly what I'm going to be covering in this series. So what you need to do right now is go ahead and subscribe to this channel so you won't miss any updates as I'm going through and launching all of these videos that I'm going to be coming out with over the next days, weeks, months to come. And so you don't want to miss them, because I may decide to take these videos down at any time and actually put them away in the vault, so to speak. But as of right now, I'm gonna unleash these videos on this channel, starting with this video today. So subscribe to this channel, and make sure there's a link right below this video too as well, to go ahead and subscribe to my email list so that I can send you an email whenever the video or the next video is ready in this series. So also my social medias are down in the description below this video as well. So those are the easy ways to connect with me, and also my email address is in the description as well. So with that being said, I'm going to hop on over to the computer and start video number 1 of the series of starting a brand using Shopify platform in this series. And at any time you want to follow me step by step, all you've got to do, there's a link right below this video that goes to a free Shopify trial that you can use to set up your store. And you can follow me step by step, because I'm literally going to walk you through on how to set up the entire store and promote the products. All right, you guys take care, and I'll see you in the training. All right, so I've hopped on over to my laptop, and what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to actually pick a store name and get set up. Now, there in the description of this video, like I said earlier in this video, there is a link to go and start up your free 14-day Shopify trial. Once you click that link, you're going to arrive on a page like this. So if you want to follow along in this training guide, you can go ahead and complete and start that step right here. So what you're going to do is you're going to type in an email that you want to use, and you're going to hit get started. Then you're going to type in a password that you want to use, and now you come to a point where you're going to choose your store name. And before I actually choose the store name, which I've already came up with, I want to let you know that you have to really put some thought into it as far as creating your store, because that's gonna, your brand is gonna be built around that name. So you don't want to just choose any old type of name. You want to really sit down and think about what your store is going to be about before going forward. Now, there's 2 different ways that you can go. You can go and create a general store and sort of have like a general name for your store, until you figure out what niche you would like to go into. And to further explain what a niche is for example, beauty. There's a lot of different beauty products out there. Another niche is the baby niche. There's a lot of different baby products out there. Electronics or iPhone niche or phone niche. You can go and sell different cell phone cases or cell phone accessories. So there's different types of niches that you can go into. And if you have an idea of what niche you would like to go into, then I highly suggest naming your store around that niche. But if you don't, pick a name that is still brandable, but at the same time it gives you, allows you to market several different products so that you find what niche you really want to go into. Okay, so if you don't know, pick a general name, and we'll get started here. But I've chosen the name Rich Cosmetics. Okay, Rich Cosmetics. Actually, I'm going to choose The Rich Cosmetics. Actually, Rich Cosmetics. Now, the whole idea behind Rich Cosmetics and my mode of thinking is that I really want to create controversy with this store. And there's a lot of people who would like to become rich, and sort of like in the comment section of these ads and whatnot. I know that people are really gonna complain about the name of Rich Cosmetics, because the way I'm gonna write the ad copy and everything behind this when I do my Facebook ads for this store is it's all gonna be going towards kind of like the snobby character, the snobby brand, where they don't want poor or middle class people to buy their products, and they're going to claim that their products is for the rich only. So that's like my concept behind creating this store. Another thing is the reason why I chose this name is because I can charge higher prices if you give your store a classy name. To where it really sounds like an expensive brand, or it plays on a certain class, like middle class, the rich, upper class, and then the poor, right? So I'm gonna playing off of the upper class is really gonna help you out with your store and being able to charge more for your products. So once you've chosen this, you're actually gonna go and hit Create Store. Okay, it says success, your store is set up. You're gonna go through these steps. It says please choose one. I'm not selling product, I'm selling, just not online. Just go ahead and choose this. Then it says, when would you like to launch your store? I'm learning and need more time. I'll be ready in a few weeks. I'll choose ready, I'm ready to go. How do you want to sell? Online only. What is your current revenue? I just want, okay, so I want to choose between 50 and 250,000 because my vision behind building any type of brand is gonna be, $250,000 to $1 million in revenue. So when I choose this, I want them to know that this store is going to grow into making that amount, and I don't want them to be, to shut off shut off any of my payment plans or anything that I have going for the store because I chose a lower amount with my store. So that's like my thinking behind that. Yes, I'm a designer. Are you saying nope? So next, then you're going to type in your name, whatnot, all your details here. So I'm going to go ahead and pause this screen, and I'm going to skip on over to the next step. Okay, so go ahead and fill out this information, and I'll meet you on the next step. All right, so I finished that step, and now I'm going to head on over to make sure that I select a plan. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and hit select a plan. And the one that I choose every single time that I create a store from brand new from scratch, I always choose the middle one, okay? Because the reason why is because I need more analytics when I'm actually setting up my store. I need to know, of how many products I'm selling, the units and everything, because when I'm doing my spreadsheets and my P&L sheets, I want to make sure that everything's lined up um, when I'm creating these different stores. So I'm going to go ahead and choose this plan. And so on this page, it's simply going to bill you $179, but it won't actually bill you that amount until after your trial. Okay, and like I said, like anything else, this is an investment towards your store. And I'm giving you this guide here, which is going to show you exactly how to set up your store and then how to get into the profit zone with your store. So since this guide is free and everything, like you're really getting you're getting the best of everything because of this training and everything. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause my screen again. I'm going to enter my details, and I'm going to go ahead and hit confirm changes, and then I'm going to resume the video. All right, so I am completely finished in actually starting up the store. There's a lot of different components to setting up a store. You can't just set up the store, and that's pretty much it, and your store is ready to go. Pretty much these stores come out of the box, and so with that being said, you got to do a lot of different things. You got to add products in your store. You got to set up different apps for your store so you're ready to go when you start engaging and actually creating the store. So this concludes the first video of actually creating the store. And so again, you're going to want to make sure that you subscribe to this YouTube channel, because I'm going to come out with more videos over the next several days, walking you through more step by step, just like you've seen today. Each individual step that I take, you're going to learn step by step. So I'm creating this store from scratch, and then you're going to see how it comes to life, how I'm going to create the social media for this, which is the Instagram and Facebook account. And really, this is something I've never done for the general public. I've always charged for these type of videos, and so me coming out and doing this, setting up these videos, is really because I really want to help the public and help them understand. And I felt that I went and did some research, and I seen there was a need for people to actually see how to set up a store properly, so that you can grow a respectable brand for the long term. Okay, so with all that being said, I look forward to sharing more details with you with the tutorials to come. And again, hit that subscribe button, folks, and I'll be more than happy to continue to create these tutorials for you. So you guys take care, and I'll see you in the next video.